Hi there, and welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to learn how to invite a site collaborator on Wix Studio. Let's get started. On your workspace, go to Sites on the left, and then hover over the three-dot button of the site you wish to add collaborators to, then select Invite Collaborators. Here, input the email addresses of the people you want to invite as collaborators to this specific site. Next, select the role you'd like to assign to them. You can select from the roles here or create a custom one if needed. Once you're done, click on Send Invite. A pop-up window will appear. Wix will ask you how you're connected with the one you want to invite. Select from the options right here. Once you're done, click Done. And when you see this confirmation that the invitation was sent successfully, they should receive an email informing them that they've been invited as collaborators to your site. They also need to approve the invitation to complete the process. And take note, the invitation does have an expiration date, so make sure that they accept the invitation before its expiration. And that's it. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.